everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Desana Bernaulina. Here I would like to present strategy leadership in organization from leadership core. Understanding strategic leadership. Strategy leadership is the ability of a leader to manage organizational resources effectively and efficiently to achieve a predetermined long-term vision. This leadership does not only focus on daily operation, but also involves long-term thinking that consider opportunities, challenges, and changes that may occur in the future. In carrying out their roles, strategy leader must be able to combine analytical and visionary strategic thinking with leadership skill that can motivate, inspire, and direct the team towards common goals. This includes careful planning, appropriate decision making, and the ability to adapt to change in dynamic business environment. This strategy leadership is a key factor in managing the sustainability and competitiveness of organization amidst increasingly complex competition. Characteristic of strategy leaders. Strategy leaders have several important characteristics that distinguish them from other types of leadership. First, they are visionary, then future-oriented, meaning they are able to see far into the future and imagine the direction and big goals that the organization wants to achieve. They are not only fixed on current condition, but also think about the long-term steps that need to be taken. In addition, strategy leaders are also very adaptive to change, able to adapt quickly when there are shifts in the market, technology, or policies, and are not afraid to change strategy when necessary. Another characteristic is the ability to make intelligent decisions, where each decision is based on in-depth analysis and considering the various risks and opportunities that exist. A strategy leader must also be able to inspire and motivate his team, create a positive and enthusiastic work environment, and assurance its team members to give their best. No less important, he has a strong focus on long-term results, meaning he does not only pursue short-term profits, but really builds a solid foundation for the sustainability and success of the organization in the future. All of these characteristics make strategy leader courageous in facing challenges and leading the organization in a better direction. The role strategy leadership in an organization is very important because it directly affects the direction and the long-term success of the company. A strategy leader is responsible for developing a clear vision and mission as the main guide for all members of the organization in working and making decisions. In addition, he also designed the right organizational strategy by considering the strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats focus facet so that goals can be achieved effectively. In a changing business world, strategy leader must also be able to manage change and insurance innovation so that the organization remains relevant and competitive. He plays a role in developing a positive, collaborative, and open organizational culture to new ideas. This creating a work environment that supports growth. No less important, strategy leader must be able to improve team and individual performance through clear direction, oppor- appropriate training and motivation, and organization so that its member feels appreciated and contributed maximally to mutual success. Challenges in strategy leadership. These challenges in strategy leadership are very diverse and complex, requiring a leader to be prepared and resilient in facing various situations. One of the main challenges is the uncertainty of the business environment, where changes in the market, technology, government policy, and global economic conditions can usher suddenly and affect the direction of the organization. In addition, leaders must also face resistance to change from within the organization itself because not everyone is ready to comfortable to leave their comfort zone and accept new things. Global competition is also a big pressure because organizations not only compete locally but must also be able to adapt to evolving international trends and standards. The complexity of the organization is also a challenge in itself, especially in managing various unit process and interrelated interests to stay in line with the established grand strategy. On the other hand, limited resources such as funds, manpower, and time require leaders to be more careful in setting priorities and making the right decision so that goals can still be achieved optimally. All of this challenge requires strategy leader to continue learning, think openly, and be able to take flexible but focused steps for the long-term success of the organization. Okay, and the list material conclusion. In a conclusion, strategy leadership is an important key to achieving long-term success for an organization, because the role of all leaders is not only to manage daily operation but also to determine the future direction of the organization as a whole. To be an effective strategy leader, a combination of clear vision, strong managerial skill, and courage in making decisions that have a big impact is needed. A strategy leader must be able to lead the team through challenges, adapt to change, and stay focused on long-term goals. With the right leadership, an organization can not only survive but also continue to grow and remain competitive in a rapidly changing environment. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching.